Hello folks. Well, as promised, here's the test of the voice-operated helicopter that I had mentioned in my last two videos when I got my stuff from Common Sense RC. Well, it's a pretty interesting device which has its good points and bad, so let's find out.
The helicopter is very cool. Typical nice metal frame. The USB charger has a red light in here. When it's fully charged, the light is on. Okay, and also you can charge from the transmitter. There's an opening here with a wire to charge, and it's actually long enough to reach something. There is your place to plug in your earphone right here for the headphone. And this has got a very ingenious headphone right here. It's quite well thought out with adjustments on for the ear. It's very comfortable and lightweight and very sensitive. And I've got my Sony set up here next to it, so hopefully we'll be able to hear when I talk to the machine and give it the commands. Now it understands several different commands. There's 3 different channels. It's IR controlled. Probably that's blinking right now. I can't see it, but the camera would probably. This is your throttle. You've got trim left and right, forward, backward. There is no rudder over here. Just throttle up and down, no rudder. And you've got interrupts. So if you want to stop the sonic, you turn the sonic on, then the sonic will go on, and that interrupts it. I don't even have to turn the helicopter on to show you how this works. So we're going to turn the power on. It blinks because you can't arm your system until you take it up to full throttle and then back. And now we have the sonic mode on. And I'm going to give commands to it like if I was flying. So I'm going to get down by the microphone and give the command. If it's correct and it's recognized, it will say so. Repeat the command.
Speech recognition activity.
Fly forward.
Go forward.
Fly backward.
Not clear.
Fly forward. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Go up.
Not clear.
Fly up. Fly forward.
Not clear.
Fly backward.
Not clear.
Go forward.
Go forward.
Go fly backward.
Not clear.
Land. Raise up.
Rise up.
I don't know.
Not clear.
Yeah, you would say that.
Take off.
Take off.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Go up.
Rise up.
Go up.
Not clear.
Raise up.
Rise up.
Turn around.
Not clear.
Turn around.
Not clear.
See if I'm too close to it. Turn around.
Not clear.
Go up.
Not clear.
Rise up.
Not clear.
Rise up.
Rise up.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Rise up.
Rise up.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Take off.
Take off.
Turn around.
Not clear.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Go down.
Not clear.
Rise down.
Not clear.
I have to learn the commands.
Not clear.
Take off.
Take off.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Fly. Turn left.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Fly forward.
Go forward.
Go backward.
Not clear.
Okay, as you know, you can't fly infrared outside in direct sunlight or wind. I'm going to try this little voice-controlled helicopter. We'll turn it on here now and see, first of all, how it flies out here, and if I can get it to hover, I'm going to give it the voice command. So we do the on and off.
Speech recognition activity.
Speech recognition activities, it says, he says. And if you say anything that doesn't work right or sound right, he says not clear.
Not clear.
Take off.
Take off.
Rise up.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Fly forward.
Not clear.
Fly forward.
Not clear.
Take off.
Take off.
Rise up.
Right up.
Fly forward.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Go left.
Not clear.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn left. Fly down. Fly down. If you don't know where you're at, you're never gonna get. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Not clear.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Not clear.
Turn right. Go
Not
forward.
clear.
Go forward.
Go forward.
Go backward.
Not clear.
Rise up. Rise up.
Rise up.
Turn left.
Not clear.
Go forward.
Go forward.
As it gets in the sun, you know that's not going to work.
There you go, folks. You see what I saw. Well, it's not a good idea to talk to yourself either, was I had to take off on my own when I said take off
Take
under
off.
my breath. Also, if you just don't say the right thing, it's not going to respond no matter what. I'm not a fan of helicopters with fans that make it go forward and backward, as they always seem to be like 2 days behind on the controls. Also, I can fly helis inverted, but with backwards controls as on this heli, where the rudder's on the right stick and no cyclic, I've got trouble with the sticks. Voice control's okay, but you have to be oriented too, and you have to shout it out left or right, and turn around. Well, the little helicopter flies pretty doggone good, that's for sure, and it's strong. I mean, I don't know how many times I've crashed it. I like it a lot for that reason. I can't wait to get it in the gym where I got more room, and maybe we'll have a little luck with the voice control. I wouldn't want to count on my voice control controlling it if I was really in it, because with helicopters everything has to be 100%. I sure would like this helicopter when my daughter was 3 years old. It would have been great fun having her holler out left, right, etc. while I fly the backup transmitter. This is a toy for that type of family fun, and I think that's great.